So I guess let's start with Adam the Storyteller. Oh gosh. It's very loud. Sorry, I have to do the game capture. There we go. Sorry, my phone is vibrating now. Shut up. Oh my god. Sorry, it's very loud. Let me change that. Okay. How's that? Is that a little bit better balanced on the chat side? Cool. So this is... That's terrible. This is a, like, puzzle adventure strategy game, I think. Match the big one with the smaller one. That little smoke dude is so gender. You're so right. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. I'm so confused. Okay. 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 Right click or double click to rotate. Oh! Okay, hold on. Okay. 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 Hold on. Clearly I'm dumb. Let's see. Oh shit. Never mind. I shouldn't have done that. I'm so confused. Okay. What do you mean? So, oh, sorry, I just kicked my desk. Okay, so clearly these guys have to, like, go together. But, like, the little rocks, you have to stick them on top. Ha! Completed! I've done it! Excellent. The most boring story I've ever heard. Okay. Okay. So, okay. This might require too many brain cells for me. Ha! We're getting there. Oh, look, a bunny. Okay. I wonder what those little black things mean. Okay. Okay. That one's not gonna work. I might have fucked up. Oh, okay, maybe not then. Okay. So put that guy there. Put that guy there. I know, he's just mean. Bob is mean. Let's see. And then... Nope. Go like that. Okay. And go like that. Okay, oh, what? Why can't I do that one? Can I do that one? No. What? I don't understand. What's the problem here, mate? What's the problem here, mate? Okay, I don't understand. So I guess let's try it again. Do you have to start there in that little green box? Okay. God damn it. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't have any green guys left. This confounds me. I'm not sure if it's in a good way yet. What? Okay, does a green guy have to go here? Okay, evidently yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't understand this at all. Okay, there's no place I have to start on this puzzle. Okay. I still have no clue what's happening. But that's okay. I'm enjoying myself. And that's what matters. I have no idea what makes things go and what makes them not go. Okay, so there has to be an orange one there. Maybe you just get extra points? Okay, why can't I do that? I don't understand. Well, why not? Well, why? Okay, maybe you can only place them if they're adjacent to something. Has to be an orange guy with a green square. What? Okay, so here's an orange guy with a green square. Okay, he goes on there. Okay, this is a purple guy with an orange square. Okay, okay. Okay. I'm enjoying myself. I just don't know what's doing. I just don't know what's going on. Okay, so that has to be purple. That has to be orange. Okay, they have to be adjacent, I guess. So you can't just put them willy-nilly. Okay. 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 Sorry, Kay, it's probably really confusing for me to just keep saying that over and over and over again. Okay. And here I go doing it again. Okay. Oh, sorry, kicking my desk again. I don't know if it fucks with the microphone, but... Okay. Okay, so this guy has to be purple. I don't understand what this black one is. Because, like, there's not a black... And now I can't put anything there. I don't understand. Maybe they're, like... You're supposed to avoid putting them in a box. Like, maybe they're just... garbage, you know? Like, maybe they're obstacles. So far, I enjoyed this game. I just wish that the tutorial was a little bit more extensive. Because it was literally like, put them together. And that's it. Okay, so if we're going with the theory that we just should avoid using the, like, putting the black boxes on the boxes, then... What? Oh, what? Come on, what? Okay, je ne comprends pas, but... Oh shit. Okay, I messed up. This one's hard. I don't even have any green ones. Okay, so I guess let's start with purple. Okay, that's not adjacent, so I can't use that one yet. Oh, valid. Enjoy your ramen. I'm sorry your therapist canceled, though. That's never fun. Welcome. We are playing Adam the Storyteller, which is like it's a puzzle game. I thought it was kind of like a Connect 3 game. It is not. It's confusing, but it's interesting. I'm enjoying myself. Okay, we want to avoid the dark things. I don't understand. Do they have to be matching? I might be stuck. It's not giving me any more green ones. Oh, there we go. The background music is very nice. It's good. Okay. This one's hard. It's made harder by the fact that I do not know what I'm doing. Okay, so we want to keep these guys the same, I think. Because otherwise it breaks. And the boxes only matter if they're going onto a blank box, I think. Oh, here, let me move my face. Going right over here. That way you can see what's on my deck. Okay. Thanks. Okay, well now it's not happy with me. Okay, well let's try again then. So I think it's best practice to start on one of the locked boxes, the ones that have colors that you have to put on. And then go from there. That way you can guarantee that you can get something in there. Okay, can't do that. Oh, because there's no box there. I see. There has to be a little box in order to put something there. Okay. Hello. I'm trying to see if I recognize this Twitch name, but I do not. Although, guessing by the fact that it's got to do with Cowboy Bebop, I'm gonna guess that it's Tyler. Oh shit! I shouldn't have done that. Okay, I'm gonna restart. Also, let me know if you guys are like, okay, I'm done with this demo, let's move on. Like, I get it. Slowly but surely, I think I am beginning to figure it out. Huh? Why? Why won't you let me put that there? Okay. Oh, crap! I didn't even notice that one. This is like 3D chess. Nope, can't do that one. You don't like chess, Danny? Okay, I have to get rid of one of these. Hello, welcome back. Are you Tyler? I don't recognize your Twitch name. I figured because of the Cowboy Bebop, but hello, welcome. I don't know if you've been in a Twitch, if you've been in chat before, but I'm very excited to see you, King. Okay. Oh crap, I've locked myself out of that box, I think. Okay. There's a lot to be thinking of. Okay, so as soon as I finish this puzzle, I think I'll try to... Or I think I'll be done with this and move on. Why do I have 4 Discord messages? Oh, it's Tyler. Oh, okay. Sorry. Lord of the Rings Online is definitely a good idea. I'm not really big into like MMOs or whatever, but I think a Lord of the Rings MMO would be good. Assuming it's an MMO? I don't know, actually. Okay. Not a traditional MMO. Interesting. I'm not like anti-MMO, I just don't ever like get into them. Just because they are always weird. Okay, and then we have to find a green thing with an orange box. Haha! Valid, yeah. That's so valid. I would love to be able to run around in the Shire as a hobbit delivering mail. I think that would be ideal. Yeah. Mail carrier simulator. Oh, no, no, no. Crap! Okay, I'm gonna count that one as a win. Yeah, okay. I've locked myself out because I didn't check to make sure that I had enough tiles. Okay. So that was Adam the Storyteller. Very interesting. The demo is available on Steam. If you want to check it out for yourself. Okay. What is next? Anvil Saga. I'm just going in alphabetical order down here. This is like a blacksmithing simulator. Graphics quality, very ultra. Thank you very much. Oh, so loud. Always so loud. Although the music is bopping, it reminds me of Unreal World. The dogs would kill you. Okay, so this is Anvil Saga. Let me... game capture. So it looks like story mode is the only thing available. Once we get in game, I'll move my face around. Don't let me forget. Okay, let's go up here. Oh, that's valid. I think Alex might have Skyrim on the computer, so therefore I have it when he's not here. But that's cool. Oh, we're French. Disgusting. Alex, my boyfriend. Sorry, I don't know if you know that. Valid. I love how the narrator is a character. Oh yeah, I also have it on the Switch. Okay, let me open my bubbly. Okay, control the camera by using WASD or the arrows. To zoom in or out, use the mouse keys. Okay, we'll need ingots made out of ore. Unfortunately, they are French. Some crimes can never be forgiven. Okay, we're making ingots. We've made the ingots. Yes, exactly. Okay, so we'll just keep continuously smelting into ingots until we run out of ore. Go flip the sign. We are opening. Okay. item, the resources, and for its creation and the reward. Okay, so he wants horseshoes. We'll need 2 ingots, and we'll get 9 gold. Okay. Okay. Cool. Ting, 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 yes. Okay. Sometimes you'll have to make a choice that will affect events further in the story. Okay. The merchant ordered a brooch for his beautiful daughter. My father brought a jewel for Baron's ring with him. I could probably use it. Let's use the jewel. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, so this will make my father happy. This will make her like me. And then she'll be able to tell if it's awkward. Okay. Sure, let's make Olivia happy. And then let's... Ding. Okay, I'm liking this. It's so cute. I love the art. Okay. Blacksmith. This only has a 30%. Okay, this is gonna make... That's not English. Okay, this only has a 30% chance of succeeding. This must be guaranteed, but it'll make the Baron upset. Let's just try this. Thank you. Oops. Okay, we messed it up. Seems to me that it isn't my gem, right? Oh. Oh no! Okay, he's just gonna beat our ass. Okay, well, we beat his ass, so that's good. Okay, time to close. Okay. I've done... Okay. Hello? What has happened? Hello? Have I broken it? It might be, yeah. Although that might have been the end of the demo. Hold on, let's try. I'm just gonna click through all of these. The demo might just be the first day. But I also worry that I might have bugged it somehow. Yeah, it would be nice if they just told you, like, hey, it's the end of the demo. Okay. Yeah, that's fair, Danny. It definitely seems to me to be more like a different version of those, like, cooking games where you just fill out people's orders and just, like, those mobile games, but with a different, like, with a better art style and more of a story. So I think this is definitely, like, a good casual game. And probably a lot more, like, it's less pay to win than most of those mobile games are, because those mobile games, once you play a couple levels, like, you have to start buying extra time because they become impossible. I don't want to duel the Baron, I want to break the economy by endlessly crafting daggers. But I definitely feel that. I'm trying to think, there was an old Flash game that was I think it's called Jacksmith. It was made by the same people who did Papa's Pizzeria, I think. Where you play as a donkey and you are a blacksmith. But I think you also, like, accompanied the adventurers on their adventure. So that was pretty cool. Okay, let's try making a simple brooch. Okay. There's a lot of, like, blacksmithing games. I know Alex has one that he played a lot. I think it might be VR though. No. Okay, so it's just really impossible to... Okay, well, actually, no. I probably failed the roll, honestly. Okay, yeah, I assume that's just where the demo ends. So that was Anvil Saga. You can add it to your wishlist on Steam. I think I might do that. Oh, I'm not logged in. Okay, I'll just do it from the actual Steam. Yeah, it looks good. Let's find the store page. Adding it to my wish list. It's supposed to release this year, so that's good. Okay, next is Bakery Simulator.